Hi, I'm Darlene Brees, and I came to Physical Therapy Solutions because I had an old knee taken out, which was in 22 years, and a new one put in, and I was doing great, and I had about 5 weeks of therapy done, and then I had the misfortune of falling, and when I fell, I tore my muscles in my quads, and so I've been fighting that with therapy for just about 5 months now, and they have done wonders for me. I was in bad shape when I started, and I'm doing really well. I'm down to walking with a walker, and that is a lot for security, and they're 100% when it comes to being nice to you. They do everything they can possibly do for you, and I thank them so much because when I started, I didn't think I'd ever walk again without a cane and without a walker, but I think it's coming. So a few more weeks, I'm down to twice therapy instead of 3 times a week, and they treat me just as nice one time as the next, and I thank them so much for that.